Self-introduction in school. Good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Shweta Malviya. I am 13 years old and live in Pune. I read in 8th standard and my school name is St. Joseph Convent Senior Secondary School. My hobbies are painting, listening to music and playing online games. My favorite color is yellow color. My favorite subject is science and I want to become a doctor. In my family, we are 4 members. My father's name is Ram Gopal Malvi. He is a businessman. My mother name is Rashmi Malvi. She is a homemaker. I have one younger brother. His name is Krishna. I am very sincere and obedient girl. I follow all the instructions from my parents and teachers. And I love my family very much. That's all about me. Thank you.